Okay.
Alright, typing test take 4. We'll take 5, but speed typing test number 4. This time with the 1950 Voss. So I better grab my watch again. Merci. Let's not bump the camera too much. Alright. It's back where it was. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Why does this thing not have a bell?
Time.
That was horrible.
I know the bell doesn't work.
Every time it threw me off. And at the end I just started getting desperate and started writing the quick brown box. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no. 10.
Count the ones that you fucked up at the end because the bell didn't work.
Okay.
Pardon my language. I shouldn't curse on camera.
Ooh, that's not good.
What?
62.
62, okay. 62. 62. Can I do better than 62?
Well, we will see.
Camera's already sitting.
I think once I got the hang of this thing, I would probably not be that bad. Okay, I'll give you a 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Time.
I can't. It's hard to keep changing machines and try to readjust.
I know, it's a challenge, it's a challenge. We'll do a more difficult one after this.
Out in the country, it's an exciting day for the chatty pup's lively dad, Mozart. His 5-week-old pups are now big enough to join him in one of his favorite hobbies. After watering
70.
him, Dad has shown off his strokes.
Hey, Gene? I believe the camera is still recording.
Yeah.
Oh.